In this video, I'll show you how to change the language on the Bybit app. First, open the Bybit app and log in. From the home screen, tap your profile icon in the top corner. This opens your account/settings page. Next, look for settings or a small gear icon and tap it. On the settings screen, scroll until you see language. Depending on your version, it might show the current language, like English, Español, or Ribinu, right next to it. Tap Language to open the list of available options. Now simply scroll and choose your preferred language from the list. After you tap it, Bybit will usually ask to restart or refresh the interface. Confirm, and the app will reload in the new language. If you ever change it by accident and can't read the menu, just remember: profile icon to gear/settings to look for the row with your current language code to tap and switch it back. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.